There's lots of talk at the moment regarding the impact of artificial intelligence and its implications on the world of work, and the built environment is no exception. So clearly changes afoot. We appear to be in a period of transition. Lots of people are quite skeptical about what the reality is of AI, but it's clear that change is coming. And as a sector, we need to be prepared for that. It has lots of implications on how we're going to work in the future, what skills are required, and how employers and industry embrace technology. We have lots of barriers to moving forward and adopting innovation. That's always been the case in our industry, but it's clear that this is something we can't ignore. And the implications for education, for practice, for how we make innovation real and how it drives better outcomes for clients is the key challenge that we need to get to grips with. And from BEFA's perspective, we're really focused on understanding what the implications of technology are going to be, particularly artificial intelligence. And we want to bridge the gap between the theory and the reality. And we want to do that in an industry-led way, bringing together industry, educators and policymakers in a way that we can evolve technology in a safe and responsible manner in step with tomorrow's needs.